हेलो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको ई से शुरू और ई पर समाप्त होने वाले कुछ इंग्लिश के शब्द बताऊंगा। तो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में बने रहिए क्योंकि यह वीडियो बहुत ही मज़ेदार होने वाली है।
Eye means आँख. Example, the cow has two eyes. Ewe means भेड़. Example, the ewe eats green grass. Eagle means chill. Example, eagle can fly in the sky. Eager means ज्वार की लहर. Example, the eager is active in sea. Earthquake means भूकंप. Example, the earthquake is a natural disaster. Earthenware means मिट्टी के बर्तन. Earthenware is made by countryside people in India. Ease means आसानी या आराम. Example, the hard working is not ease. Eatable means भोज्य पदार्थ. Example, the curry is an Indian eatable. Eclipse means अंधेरा करना. Example, don't eclipse in the room. Economize means बचाना. Example, you do not economize your money. Edge means किनारा. Sari's edge is very wide. Edifice means भवन. Example, my edifice is not ready for live. Educative means शिक्षित. Example, Pandit Nehru was educative. Educate means शिक्षित करना. Example, teachers can educate me. Educe means सिद्ध करना. Example, can you educe this question?
एरी means सुनसान. Example, street is not airy. Efface means पोंछना. Example, he effaced his room. Effete means कमजोर. Example, you are very effete in math. Eke means जोड़ना. Example, eke this number. Elephantine means हाथी जैसा. Example, his foot like elephantine. Elevate means खुश करना. Example, he will elevate me. Ellipse means अंडे के आकार जैसा. Example, this shape is ellipse. Else means दूसरा या अन्य. Example, anything else you need to know. Elude means बचना या टाल देना. Example, he eluded his job. Empire means साम्राज्य. Example, Rama's empire had increased in India. Enclose means बंद करना. Example, I enclosed the book. Endorse means सिद्ध करना. Example, did you endorse this puzzle? Engine means इंजन या यंत्र. Example, this engine has been destroyed. Entice means lalchana. Example, are you enticing me? Entire means sampurna. Example, corona is spreading entire world. Envelope means lifafa. Example, what is there in envelope? Episode means upkatha. Example, episode 245 of Balbir is very good. Ageable means खाने योग्य. Example, this food is not ageable. Embrace means गले लगाना. Example, do not embrace me. Emerge means निकलना. Example, can you emerge from Delhi? Employee means सेवक. Example, Ram is an employee. Enkindle means जलाना. Example, enkindle this paper. Inquire means जांच. Example, this is not a perfect inquiry. Equable means बराबर. Example, my field is not equable. Equine means घोड़े के समान. Example, a sea fish is equine. Erase means मिटाना. Example, erase this handwriting. Escape means बचना. Example, escape this problem. Estate means जागीर या संपत्ति. Example, this is your estate. Evade means हटना. Example, evade in front of car. Eve means शाम. Example, it is very good eve today. Evidence means सबूत या प्रमाण. Example, the criminal did not leave any evidence. Evoke means बुलाना या पुकारना. Example, your mother is evoking you. Examinee means परीक्षार्थी. Example, examinee is very disturbed today. Example means उदाहरण. This example is the best. Excellence means बहुत बढ़िया. Example, this book is excellence. Exchange means आपस में बदलना. Example, exchange this offer. Excuse means क्षमा मांगना. Example, excuse me. Exercise means अभ्यास करना. Example, do you exercise every day? Expensive means महंगा या खर्चीला. Example, सरताज सराज house is expensive. Experience means अनुभव या तजुर्बा. Example, Narendra Modi has many years of experience. Explode means विस्फोट होना. Example, the time bomb was exploded. Explore means खोजना. Example, the scientists are exploring something in space. Expunge means मिटाना. Example, expunge it. आयरी मीन्स शिकारी चिड़िया का घोंसला। एग्जाम्पल, आयरी वॉज ब्यूटीफुल।